One of the reasons why people buy 1/18 scale diecast cars is because, on most of them, the trunk opens. But what use is an opening trunk if there's nothing inside that you can admire? On the higher-end diecast models, of course, we have carpeting, but apart from that, there's nothing else to see. This is when some of us diecast car collectors realize that in order to breathe more life into our collection, we need to buy some accessories, such as these. Now, this is from a Hungarian seller on eBay who just opened shop, and in this unboxing video I want to show you guys what I have bought. Alright, so it's in this box here. Nicely packed with sellotape. Just pull this apart. And inside we have a whole bunch of small suitcases. I bought 3 different sets. As such, they are packed individually, as you can see right here. So this is one set, this is the second one, and this is the third. Let's start by opening this one in the middle. So we have here a bag with the Hungarian flag. It's a nice bag, as you can see. Just focus that a little bit. It definitely has that leather feel to it. Then we have a yellow bag, also with the Hungarian flag. This is a smaller one, as you can see. Now let's move on to the next set. Here we have 3 pieces this time. This is another nice little bag. Let's get this open. Check it out. And then over here we have 2 additional pieces, which consist of a smaller bag. This is like a laptop carrying bag. You know, the kind that you take to college around your shoulder and put a few other documents inside. Looks pretty nice. Has a silver seal and a little handle here. And of course, the umbrella. I mean, how could you not have an umbrella when you buy these things? Especially for those rainy days. And we finally move on to the biggest set of them all, and also the most expensive one. This is considered the Mercedes-Benz set, as advertised by the retailer. It comes with 3 different subsets. And there's something broken already, as you can see. That's not very good. Let's open this up first. But stuff like this can be repaired easily with super glue, so I'm not too worried. Okay, this looks a little bit fragile. So we got these 2 plastic bits that need to be super glued in. Here's one and here's the other. Okay. So as you can see, this part here has broken off. I can can get this to focus. And I should be able to glue this myself. I'll show you guys how I'll do it later. But right now, you can see that it has the Mercedes-Benz logo. And the other strap is supposed to look like this. Right, here is the next bag. It's a little gray one. It also has the Mercedes-Benz logo. Right here. You can see that. Looks pretty nice. And then finally, we have this little additional kit, which consists of small items. One of which is this nice umbrella. It looks more expensive than the other one. It even has this silver piece at the top. And then we have a whole bunch of little stuff here. We have this bottle. Contains a cleaning fluid, I assume. Even has this little branding. Car shampoo. Huh. Pretty interesting. Put that over there. And then of course we have our safety kit. This is a first aid kit. Always comes in handy. We have a little piece of fabric. Something you can lay on top of your car, for example, as a diorama where you're cleaning it. And going in line with that theme, we have 3 other canisters here. So this one has a little nozzle up there, a blue one, but is otherwise pretty inconspicuous. And we have a second one over here, identical, although this time the nozzle is on the other side, so that way you know it's not 2 of the same, but instead different ones. And here we have a little purse. There you go. See that? It even has the leather stitching around the top, so that's pretty nice. Alright guys, that's pretty much it. I just need to fix this one bag over here, the biggest one. But apart from that, this is a nice little accessory kit. And all in all, I paid 30 euros for this, including shipping. I think this set here, over to the right, was worth something like 10 euros. Actually, no, it was 11.50. And it was called the MB Zubehör set, which is the Mercedes-Benz accessory set. Then we have the Dr. Mohaus bag set, which consists of these 3 items. And then finally we have the third set, which was the cheapest of them all. And they consist of these 2 big bags, and they're called the Nation Team set. So let's see how much of these we can now fit into our model car up there, which is a 1/18 scale Maisto Mercedes-Benz SL550. Taking a car to the back. Let's begin by putting the big ones inside. Okay, that's 1. That's 2. And maybe we can still fit the umbrella inside, like so. And perhaps the small one in there. Whoops, went completely inside. Let's put this one on top as well, maybe here to the side. Okay, now let's take a closer look at the trunk. And you can see that it is pretty full. Let me turn on the flash so you can get a better view. And as you can see, all the stuff is in there, with still some room to spare. Let's see if the lid closes, and it does. Right, now what do we do with the other pieces of luggage? Well, maybe we can put some of them in the passenger seat. So maybe one down there, for example. And let's put the bag up here. See, like that. And we can, of course, take the umbrella and put it up here as well, like that. See that? Close the door, and we're good to go. Oh yeah, and I managed to fix the big Mercedes-Benz bag by just using a little bit of super glue and gluing the straps together. Looks good as new. Alright guys, so I hope you liked this little unboxing video of mine. Remember, you can buy these suitcases from eBay. I'm sure you'll find other sellers than the one that I bought from, but I will leave the link to the seller in the description if you're interested in buying these from him. And while the prices weren't really cheap, at the same time they were not so high that I said it's not worth it. So I think it was definitely worth the purchase. And finally, I'll have trunks which are worth showing to you. And if you're interested in a review of this 1/18 scale Maisto Mercedes-Benz SL550, I have done so a year ago and I've posted it on my channel, so I'm going to leave a link to that as well right here. And if you're interested in a review of this guy, he was part of the American diorama figures that I bought and reviewed as well. So that's also down there. This is Imperial Diecast signing out.